Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage timer settings on your HISENSE TV. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to settings by clicking left arrow on your TV remote. Go to settings, now scroll down to system, and here we will have the timer settings. So as you guys can see, here we have the sleep timer. Basically, the TV will turn off at the specified time, so 118 minutes are left, so it's an hour and 58 minutes. Here we have the power on timer. Basically, when we enable it, then we will see our TV powering on at 12 a.m. We can repeat it once or weekly, so we can just click confirm. And here we have the power off timer. We can enable it and repeat it once or weekly at 12 a.m. too, so it will basically turn off our TV automatically. Here we have the menu timeout. So when we're inactive for like 60 seconds, then the screen would actually change. Maybe it will, let me explain it that way. It will basically remain on the screen. So we have 60 seconds or else it will basically disappear. So moving on, we have the auto sleep. Basically, after a period of inactivity on our screen, we will have our TV turned off. So for example, we're not doing anything for 3 hours and the TV is on, then it will automatically go to sleep. So it'll be like a standby mode. Here we can disable it. And here we have auto standby with no signal. We can either disable it or enable it. And if there's no signal for 15 minutes, then our TV will just go into the standby mode. So that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.